Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Ticketmaster. So let me take you to the website, which is ticketmaster.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Ticketmaster is a leading platform for buying tickets to concerts, sports, theater, and other live events. It offers verified tickets, mobile entry, and a secure resale marketplace. As the official ticket partner for many venues and artists, it helps fans access events safely and conveniently. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website and buy any tickets for any of the events you like, maybe for yourself or your family. But that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn money from Ticketmaster. Is it possible? Of course, why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Ticketmaster, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, as usual, you'll receive the commission as an affiliate. So, who can join the affiliate program of Ticketmaster? Basically, affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program. As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So, regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Ticketmaster? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So, regardless of the consumer's country as well, you can promote Ticketmaster, and when you bring sales to them, you'll end up getting commission. So, how to join the affiliate program of Ticketmaster? For that, let me take you to the website travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts and what does they have to do with Ticketmaster? Travel payouts is one of the great affiliate marketing network out there, mainly focusing on travel related brands. And in order for us to join the affiliate program of Ticketmaster, we have to join a specific affiliate marketing network. In our case, it's travel payouts. So how do you create an account with travel payouts, or rather an affiliate account with them? For that, you can click on Get Started. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can go through the sign up process and get yourself a free affiliate account with travel payouts. Now I understand that many nuances involved. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use travel payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video descriptions. Use the link, go to the video, and follow the instructions to get yourself a free travel payouts affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again, click on login. It will take you to the login page, enter your credentials, and this will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Ticketmaster, but the focus of the video is only Ticketmaster. So we'll cover about their affiliate program. How do you locate their affiliate program? For that, look at the left hand side and hover over this menu bar. From here, you can click on programs and you can go to all. Once it's loaded, over here, you can search for Ticketmaster and it will show all the tiles. From here, you can click on Ticketmaster tile. It will take you to the affiliate program page of Ticketmaster. Now, over here, you would be able to see different information. We'll talk about commission rate shortly. Let's talk about cookie lifetime. So let's say if you get approved by Ticketmaster as an affiliate, you use tracking link, someone clicked on the tracking link and doesn't buy any ticket at all, but they come to the website directly, maybe after 20-25 days, and ended up buying an event ticket. In that case, you would still get the commission because of the cookie lifetime. So they have up to 30 days of cookie lifetime. Rewarded platforms include desktop and mobile web. That means if you bring sales to them via desktop consumers or mobile web consumers, you will be entitled to get commission. Then if you scroll down, you can see here terms of joining the affiliate program. Pre-approval is required. So when you apply to be part of their affiliate program, you have to give them up to 2 business days for their team to review and to confirm whether you're good fit for them or not. And then if you scroll down, there are some prerequisites as well. Make sure that your project meets the requirement of the affiliate program. That means when you're applying to Ticketmaster affiliate program, ensure your online presence includes these. So it should have original travel content, is at least 2 months old, is regularly updated, and contains up-to-date information. Allows you to organically integrate affiliate links to your content, then does not contain offensive content, viruses, or other negative content, and does not call for illegal action. And if you scroll down, you'll see even more. There are rewards rates as well. So depending on your consumers, wherever they go, I mean the domain of Ticketmaster, for example, if someone is going to the Australian domain of Ticketmaster, and if they buy any event ticket, you would get 0.30 Australian dollars as commission. Same way, if they go to, let's say, the UK website, then you would get 1% commission on the sale amount. And this is the general domain. If someone buys a ticket from this domain, you would get anywhere between 0 to 4.15% commission. So depending on the commission rate that you want, you might want to create your tracking link for that domain specifically. Then if you scroll down, you get to see more details as well, the languages, and then there are target countries. Well, these are the target countries that Ticketmaster is more focusing on. But so long as your consumers are using any of these domains and bringing sales to Ticketmaster, you should be able to get commission. Then comes allowed brand promotions, methods, and channel. So basically, what kind of affiliates Ticketmaster is usually fine with. So they're fine with content creators, cashback website affiliates, travel business affiliates, and media buying affiliates. They usually do not provide approval to personal bookings affiliates and coupon or promo codes affiliates. And if you want to see the program terms, you can click here and you can read about the program terms as well in detail. And once you've read it all, and in case if you still have question, you can click on this Ask a Question. It will take you to a web page where you can submit your ticket that basically will allow Ticketmaster affiliate program team to review and respond, and you will receive a response via an email for that. Now, let's say you want to apply to their affiliate program, Ticketmaster's affiliate program. For that, you can click on Connect to Program. From here, you can select your project. Travel payouts call different online presence as projects, and these projects you must have added to your travel payouts account while creating an account with them. So when you're applying to Ticketmaster affiliate program, you have to choose your project from here. And when you get the approval, you're only allowed to promote Ticketmaster on that specific online presence or rather project. So let's say I want to promote Ticketmaster for this project of mine. In that case, I can click on request to connect. And from here, I can click on all good. So what this will do, it will send my application to Ticketmaster affiliate program team. As you can see here, I got this message, we received a program connection request, and they can take anywhere between 2 business days to review and confirm whether I'm a good fit for them or not. So we can wait for it. And let me close it so it will take us back to the affiliate program page of Ticketmaster. How would you know that you have been approved by Ticketmaster? For that, you have to look at your emails. You should be able to get an email confirmation after getting an approval from Ticketmaster. And once you've gotten the approval, you can come to the travel payouts affiliate account once again and go to the connected section within programs. You would be able to see them listed here. This is the section where you would be able to see all your approved brand. And once you find them in here, the Ticketmaster, you can click on that tile and get back to their affiliate program page. And why would you do that? To get yourself tracking links. Because the next step is for you to promote them. And to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. This is how the travel payouts can locate your performance and can allocate commission accordingly when you bring sales to Ticketmaster. So how do you get tracking links for Ticketmaster? For that, you can go to link section within tools. Over here, you would be able to see different link tabs. You can explore those link tabs and get yourself tracking links. Then you can also go to widget to see the available widget. And since we haven't been approved by Ticketmaster yet, so we see it this way. Otherwise, you should be able to click on the widget and get yourself tracking links. Now, let's say you don't want to get available tracking links, but rather you want to create your own tracking link. For that, you can click on this create link. And you will find this widget usually available on the top right hand side, regardless of the location you are in on the dashboard. To create the tracking link, simply click on create link from here. Over here, you have to simply click on project and choose your project accordingly. Within program, you can select Ticketmaster. So just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with YesM, but in your case, ensure that you got the approval from Ticketmaster and you're selecting Ticketmaster from here. Then over here, you have to mention the link through which you want to create tracking link. So let's say I want to create a tracking link for this event. I'm going to copy this URL. You see this one? So I have copied this. I'm going to paste it in here. And this should automatically create a tracking link. But see, it did not work. The reason why, because I have used YesM as a program and link belong to Ticketmaster. Well, once you have gotten the approval from Ticketmaster, you should be able to select Ticketmaster from the program. You can mention the link here accordingly, which should be able to create tracking links for you. And you would be able to see them listed in here. And once you've gotten the link, simply take the link and post it on your online presence accordingly. So this is how you can create your tracking links either from the tool section or create your own tracking link. Totally up to you. Next question arises, where can you promote Ticketmaster? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. That doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you got the approval from Ticketmaster, you can put the advertisement somewhere on your website, maybe put it on the homepage or a category page, depending on your consumers, your users. Then comes the blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write blog posts about different events available on Ticketmaster. And for each event that you write, maybe put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. This way, when consumer would read the blog post and if they like the event, they'll click on the link, they'll buy this ticket, and you will get the commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because social media allows you to create content like videos, shorts, reels, or maybe create any contents like this for any event that you prefer and put your tracking link either in the comment or description. Again, this way, when the people, the consumers will watch your content, they will click on the link, they will buy the ticket, you'll get a commission. Fourth way is travel and tourism website. Now, I feel like travel and tourism websites are best suited here because people usually come to these websites to buy vacationing or traveling related stuff, correct? So let's say if you have a travel or tourism website as an affiliate, you might want to create a standalone section just for the events. And when someone would click on that event section, they would be able to see different events available out there. And you basically should be integrating your tracking links within those events. So that means if someone would come to your website, will go to event section, they will click on any of the event they like. And when they buy the ticket for that event, by getting redirected to Ticketmaster website, you will end up getting commission. All right, so you started promoting Ticketmaster and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to your affiliate account with travel payouts once again. And over here, you get to the affiliate program page of Ticketmaster. And within performance section, you can click on summary to see the summary of your performance. If you click on bookings, you would be able to see any booking that has been done. Now, if you want to have even detailed reports in this, you can go to reports, and from here you can go to performance. Over here you can change the date range, you can group by program, group by day, months of ID, any of these values, and you would be able to see the performance here accordingly. And if you want to see the bookings or sales, then you can click on bookings, and once you're here, you can update the date range. You can click on whether you want to see the confirmed sales, the pending sales, or the cancelled sales, and you can run the report and see the bookings accordingly, basically sales. Now, all the commission that has been accumulated in your account, you would be able to see it on the top left-hand side over here within balance section. And all these commission will get issued to you once you have updated your payment method. And how do you update it? You go to finance from the menu bar and you click on payout method. And once you're here, you can select the country of residence. So I'm going to go with India. You can go with your country of residence and you can see the minimum payout. Let's say if you set up PayPal as your payment method, you would be able to get commission once it exceeds $50. Same way, if you go with the web money, you have to wait for it to exceed $10. And if you want to set up the bank account for USD or Euro, then you have to wait for 400 units minimum payout before travel payouts can issue the commission to you. And how do you set it up? Simply click on add button for the respective payment method, and it will open up an overlay window. Over here you can update the payment method details accordingly, and once you have done it, simply click on save and it should update your payment methods in here. And once you have updated it, you can expect to receive commission from travel payouts. And if you want to look at your payout history, again, come to finance and you can click on payout history, and over here you would be able to see the history of all the payouts that's ever being done by travel payouts to you. And if you click on balance breakdown, over here you would be able to see the live history of your earnings and booking. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Ticketmaster. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning all about the affiliate program of Ticketmaster. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.